So I just got the speaker that I want to give you some in-depth details on as I unbox. So it's IP6 Waterproof rating. It has 12 hours of playtime. So it has a quick start guide, an aux to aux cable. It also has a USB-C to USB cable. Then it comes packaged really nicely in this little foam and the bag it comes in. It is durable and also has like a deep bass mode and lights up, which is really nice too. So it has this really nice carry handle with this kind of like silicone sleeve on it, and then it's this braided cord material here. So that's really cool. And then on the top here, you have the USB. I'll pop this open so you can see. And then you have the aux in, and then you have USB-C as well. And then right here you have a giant yellow like sound down, volume down button, and then a giant yellow volume up button. And then on the sides you have the speakers. And then this whole thing is this mesh material, which is really actually pretty cool. Now on the top you also have your power play pause button, mode, and brightness. So it's powered on. You can see it lights up on the sides and changes color, and also lights up the top. So that's pretty cool. I love all the different color looks to this, and the fact that it is waterproof. It has a nice rubber bottom. It means you can just carry it with you as you go out to do your paddling or boating or river float or anything else you want to do. So if you're looking for a really fun like outdoor waterproof speaker, I actually really suggest you check this out.